Hi guys! In this video, I am going to show you how to sign a PDF document digitally for free. So without further ado, let's start. First, open your browser and search for Adobe Fill&sign. We can't use it without signing in, but don't worry, we can use a free account to sign our documents with Adobe Acrobat for free. Let's create an account, and we can sign up with our email or continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Welcome to Adobe. We just need to complete our account by providing our details such as name and date of birth. Then click Continue to proceed. And we have successfully signed in. In this part, we just need to click Select a file, then select a PDF file that you need to sign from your gallery. To sign the documents, we just need to click the Add Signature, then use these tools to customize our own signature. For type, we just need to type here our signature. For draw, we just need to sign here to draw our signature. And for image, write your signature in the paper, take a photo of your signature, then save it in your gallery. Click Select Image, then automatically Adobe will convert the image into something like this. We can save it now, so that whenever we need to sign a document, we just need to go here and sign our documents easily. Let's sign the PDF document now. We just need to click our signature, then drag it to the document. We can also resize it if we think that it's too big or too small. Let's also put the date today. Just click here, put the date, then adjust the font, and it's done! Click the download button now to save the signed documents in your device. And that is the end of this video. If you find it helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!